There's lots of reasons that home battery systems in Queensland are particularly valuable. One of the most obvious ones is the sun. Because we have lots of sun in Queensland, we can store a lot of extra energy.
Consumers can save money as soon as they've installed their system, and they should see that reflected in their next power bill. So your energy bill reduces because, one, you have your own electricity being produced from the solar, and instead of sending the excess back to the grid, you're now storing that in your battery and using that in the evening when the sun is down. And that's when most houses use more electricity. Your home, your cooking, your aircon is running.
And I would recommend doing it, especially in Queensland with the sun that we've got. You reap the benefits over time. When my son comes over, I say, oh, I'm not paying anything for electricity because I've got a battery.
Harnessing some of that extra solar power that you're generating during the day, there's many benefits to the grid, helps the grid sustainability, and also you're doing the right thing for the environment.